Hello, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday, March the 18th. And tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a two-box break. It's one of the Hit Parade autographed football jerseys from Series 9. It is box 61 of 100 and one of our boom boxes. Once again, we let them pick between a stack of 3, and they picked box B. So we did random team sales. You can see on the far left, we've already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized those customers. uh, so they could see where they had a bit easier, gave them ample opportunity to trade. Pop it. Here we go. Jacksonville and Philadelphia for Carolina and Washington was just confirmed. All right, folks. Here we go. Well, I haven't actually pulled them in a little while, folks. Again, yeah. That is a missed, you guys can see, you know what that is. There is your Leaf certification number, but that is a Jim Kelly, folks. It is a custom, beautiful custom, though. There y'all can see it is a custom. Awesome Jim Kelly, one of my favorite all-time teams. Man, this was one of the incredibly exciting teams to watch, folks. Buffalo is LGS. LGS taking home another one, boy. All right, there you go. Here we go, folks. Pop of that seal. Well, I think y'all saw that. I'm sorry, but it is not a Cardinal, but that is a Cliff Avril, folks. A Cliff Avril. There is your JSA number on that one. Who has Seattle? That is going to be a div hit. A div hit. He's going to take the Cliff Avril. Join us 7 nights a week at breakers.tv. Y'all have a good one.